viewers, hello guys. Haguki Plus new commercial to be taken for air after constraints rest over sound effects that closely resemble emergency warning sound arrangement are being made. It has been pointed out that the sound effect in the beginning of the commercial sounds similar to an emergency warning sound. Lion Corporations announced on the 3rd that it would stop airing the new commercial Systema Haguki Plus Premium Have You Forgotten version, which had been airing since September 1st, after it was pointed out that the sound effect at the beginning of the commercial sounds like an. After the Haguki Plus commercial began airing, opinions were raised online such as the sound effect in the Haguki Plus commercial sounds like a alert and it's make me feel uneasy. The sound at the beginning of the Haguki Plus commercial sounds like a alert and it's scary and sounds like a alert and it's make me feel uneasy. The sound at the beginning of the Haguki Plus commercial sounds like a alert and it's scary and sounds like a alert and it's make me feel uneasy. The sound at the beginning of the Haguki Plus commercial sounds like a alert and it's scary and only one thinks that the sound of Miami's balloon inflating sounds like a alert. In response to this, Lions official website announced that it was stop airing the